Magic C is filled with glee. That rhymes. Today we're going to practice rhymes. So all these words rhyme, and you'll notice many rhyming words have the same ending. But some, like scoot and suit, they have different endings. This is an O-O-T, this is a U-I-T. And said and wed, look, those don't have the same ending. So most rhyming words will have the same letters at the end, but not all of them. To, do. So you're going to read the words out loud first. Listen for the rhymes, then go ahead and copy them neatly on your page. So read it first. Wide, side. They rhyme. Now I'm copying them. Okay. Save, gave. Now I'm copying them. All the way around. Remembering to bump those lines. To, do. Make your tall letters nice and tall. Keep your small letters inside those lines. Make sure you bump them, not too small. Ooh, that D was not good looking. Do you see that? So it's okay to make a mistake, but in your handwriting book, it's important to fix it. Make sure it's nice and neat. Oh, look, that's so much better. I'm glad I fixed that. All right, friends, get done with page 25. Make sure you're reading and writing those rhymes.